Welcome to another episode of What's at Flytec's Warehouse. Let's see what we have today.
Introducing the UniFi Dream Router. Right out of the box, the UDR is a plug-and-play UniFi OS console featuring a built-in 4x4 enterprise Wi-Fi 6 access point for the latest and fastest wireless connectivity. The built-in PoE gigabit switch has two PoE ports that lets you power your devices right from the UDR. The built-in 128 GB SSD provides instant storage for UniFi Protect video camera security deployment. And an SD slot allows for easy expansion. The UDR sets up in minutes and is ready to run any UniFi OS application and power your home or small business deployment. Everything you need for a complete UniFi experience. The UniFi Dream Router offers a simple, all-in-one platform into the world of UniFi.
Don't forget to subscribe, like our video, and click the bell for notifications. See ya!